हेलो। आज हम देखेंगे 25 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस जो आपके ओपीएससी एआईओ एग्जाम के लिए बहुत यूजफुल हैं। ये क्वेश्चंस यूनिट 3 से हैं, जहां फोकस है फाउंड्री प्रोसेस और कास्टिंग पर। पूरा वीडियो ध्यान से देखना, क्योंकि आखिर में मैं आपको एक छोटा सरप्राइज दूंगा, जहां मैं बताऊंगा कि आप कैसे फ्री में मॉक टेस्ट की पूरी सीरीज पा सकते हो। क्वेश्चन 1। इन अ ग्रीन सैंड मोल्ड, द मॉइस्चर कंटेंट इज प्राइमरली रिस्पॉन्सिबल फॉर व्हाट? ऑप्शन ए, enhancing permeability. Option B, improving strength of sand. Option C, increasing collapsibility. Or is it option D, promoting venting of gases? Answer C, increasing collapsibility. Question 2, now listen carefully. Which material is most suitable for high precision casting patterns? Is it A, wax, B, wood, C, plastic, or D, cast iron? Answer A, wax. Question 3, here comes a very technical one. The allowance given on a pattern to compensate for shrinkage during solidification. What do we call it? Is it A, draft allowance, B, shake allowance, C, shrinkage allowance, or D, machining allowance? Answer C, shrinkage allowance. Question 4. All right. In green sand molding, which binder is used most commonly? Option A, bentonite clay. Option B, resins. Option C, sodium silicate. Or option D, cement. Answer A, bentonite clay. Question 5. Let's go to something practical now. Which of the following is a permanent mold casting process? A, sand casting. B, investment casting. C, die casting. Or D, shell molding. Answer C, die casting. Question 6. What is the main purpose of a riser in a casting mold? Is it to control solidification rate, or to act as a reservoir for molten metal, maybe to remove slag, or provide surface finish? Answer B, act as a reservoir for molten metal. Question 7. In centrifugal casting, the mold is stationary, rotated about a vertical axis, vibrated, or slowly tilted. Answer B, rotated about a vertical axis. Question 8. The property of molding sand that allows it to collapse after solidification is called cohesiveness, collapsibility, refractoriness, or adhesiveness. Answer B, collapsibility. Question 9. A core is generally used in casting to improve surface finish, make holes or cavities in casting, support the mold, or increase the volume of the casting. Answer B, make holes or cavities in casting. Question 10. Which of the following pattern materials is best suited for high volume production? Wood, wax, metal, or plastic? Answer C, metal. Question 11. Which type of solidification leads to the formation of fine grains in the casting? Is it directional solidification, progressive solidification, or equiaxed solidification? Answer C, equiaxed solidification. Question 12. The property of molding sand that allows gases to escape through it is called cohesiveness, permeability, collapsibility, or adhesiveness? Answer B, permeability. Question 13. In casting, a shake allowance is provided to compensate for pattern distortion during handling, pattern wear, loosening of the pattern from the mold, or mold shrinkage. Answer C, loosening of the pattern from the mold. Question 14. Which of the following is not a property of good molding sand? Refractoriness, permeability, plasticity, conductivity? Answer D, conductivity. Question 15. Which casting process uses a wax pattern coated with refractory material? Sand casting, investment casting, die casting, or centrifugal casting? Answer B, investment casting. Question 16. Which of the following is an example of a special casting process? sand casting, die casting, shell molding, or green sand casting? Answer B. Die casting. Question 70. The property of molding sand that resists high temperature without melting or breaking down is called permeability, refractoriness, plasticity, or collapsibility. Answer B. Refractoriness. In casting, the term draft allowance refers to extra thickness added to allow machining, the taper given to a pattern for easy removal, allowance for pattern distortion, or allowance for shrinkage. Answer B. The taper given to a pattern for easy removal. Question 19. Which of the following materials is commonly used as a core material in casting? Silica sand, green sand, clay, or resin bonded sand? Answer D. Resin bonded sand. Question 20. What is the typical role of a chill in casting? To increase the cooling rate locally, to reduce porosity, to improve surface finish, or to act as a riser? Answer A. To increase the cooling rate locally. Question 21. Which pattern allowance compensates for the roughness of the mold surface? Is it shake allowance, draft allowance, machining allowance, or distortion allowance? Answer A. Shake allowance. In casting, what is the main cause of gas porosity defects? Trapped gases in the molten metal, excessive mold permeability, fast cooling rates, or poor riser design? Answer A. Trapped gases in the molten metal. Question 23. What type of molding sand is best suited for high precision and smooth surface finish? Green sand, core sand, resin bonded sand, or chemically bonded sand? Answer D. Chemically bonded sand. Question 24. Which of the following is not a typical casting defect? Cold shut, blowhole, burr, or shrinkage cavity? Answer C. Burr. Investment casting is also known as lost wax casting, shell molding, permanent mold casting, or centrifugal casting. Answer A. लॉस्ट वैक्स कास्टिंग। हमने अभी ये 25 इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चंस देख लिए हैं, और अगर आप चाहते हैं एग्जाम में अच्छा स्कोर करना और एक बढ़िया रैंक भी लाना, तो हमारा 4000 प्लस MCQ क्वेश्चन बैंक आपको डेफिनेटली हेल्प करेगा। ये सारे क्वेश्चंस इंटरनेट, बुक्स और अलग अलग सिमिलर एग्जाम्स को ध्यान में रखकर तैयार किए गए हैं, और जब आप इस क्वेश्चन बैंक को परचेस करते हैं तो साथ में मिलेगा फुल मॉक टेस्ट सीरीज और रोज का चैप्टर वाइज मॉक टेस्ट भी। देखिए, हमारा YouTube चैनल बहुत बड़ा नहीं है, लेकिन हमारा डेडिकेशन 100% है। हमें बस आपका थोड़ा सपोर्ट चाहिए ताकि हम आपकी प्रिपरेशन में पूरी तरह मदद कर सकें। और हाँ, इन 25 क्वेश्चंस की PDF आपको डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में मिल जाएगी। अगर आप डेली मॉक टेस्ट फ्री में पाना चाहते हैं तो चैनल को अभी सब्सक्राइब करें और स्क्रीन पर दिख रहे WhatsApp नंबर पर मैसेज भेज दीजिए। थैंक यू। फिर मिलते हैं अगले वीडियो में।